Hey guys, welcome to the video today. I'm going to be showing you the Nurture Preston FM program, and it's a nice picture of Alex Neely. So, manager, he used to play for Norwich, he got sacked, I think. So yeah, let's start. We drew at home to Norwich today. Not very exciting. Few chances. Greg Cunningham, Josh Harrop and Ben Pearson. There's a nice picture of Alex Neil there. Declan Rudd and Alan Brown. Man of the match was Tom Clark. Alex Neil. We lost away to Reading a couple of weeks ago. Ugh. The man of the match was Billy Balding. There's a nice picture of the Preston FM badge and then some writing the W. Hurst, isn't it? There's the match. Picture of the match. Josh Harrop. We won at home to Leeds United. 3-1. Right, so it's Alan Brown. Picture of the match. And John Welsh is home town, Liverpool. Horgan. That's new. Alright. Okay, I'll do it soon. There's the stadium. Home kit and the away. Good job. Very good. Two players. Manager, and you'll somebody will do it. Alan Brown. So let's just move the camera over a little bit this way. Yep, that's much better. Our team, our squad team. We are still 9th in the championship. There's a picture of Alex Neil. Callum Robinson. You're a bit greedy today, I thought, coming on low. The Leeds United mascots. I don't.
Isaac J.
Yeah?
Can you get Isaac's?
1 minute, I'm just going to find that.
Bring, you mind him happy before now? Bring Jake's, Isaac's quilt down with you.
Alright, quick now. I'm going to do.
Don't throw it.
Oh. Yeah. Good catch. Good throw. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe. I'm on Instagram and Facebook. Until next video, guys. Bye.